Hi everybody, this is Nancy. My new username is Nancy's Nursery. It was previously NANS1954, just so everybody knows that. I was wondering if somebody could help me. I purchased a lot of reborn baby kits on eBay, and I need help identifying 3 of them. This one here is reborn Bountiful Baby Anna, so I know who that one is. This one, I'm not really sure. It has GF7016 on the back. This one here has GF7012. And this one, it looks like somebody might have made a mold themselves and poured this. It has HQ080C or HQ080C. I'm not really sure if those are letters or numbers. There's a problem with this one I was wondering if anybody could help me with. His head is lopsided. It kind of leans to one way, so he's got a big puffy cheek here, not much cheek here, and he has a big dent right here in the side of his head. Is there any way to try to reform him? Any help would be greatly appreciated. This is being done from my Android phone. I'm attempting to see if this is going to work better than my laptop webcam. Any comments on this would also be appreciated. Thank you very much.